So we're doing product of vector. We're doing product of vector. Product of vectors. Product of vectors. So we say we have two products. We have scalar or dot product. For scalar or dot product, if you have two vectors A and B, we say what is vector A dot vector B. We do what? Magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B, then cos theta. This is the dot product of two vectors. And the dot product of two vectors is always a scalar. The answer is a scalar. We have done this in the last class, and I gave some assignment. Then the next product is what? Vector or cross product. Vector or cross product of two vectors. Vector or cross product of two vectors. The vector product, if you have vector A, if vector A is xi plus yj plus zk, and vector B is alpha I plus beta j plus gamma k. These are two vectors. The vector product of two vectors is a vector. The vector or cross product of two vectors is a vector. And is given as this vector product A cross B. This is the vector product of two vectors A cross B. And this is obtained from the determinant of a matrix. How do you do that? You say I, J, K. Determinant of a matrix. What's your A? Your A is xi plus yj plus zk. That's your A. This is A. You have to put ijk first. Then you put A. A is xi plus yj plus zk. Cross B. What's your B? Your B is alpha I plus beta j plus gamma k. This is a cross product of any two vectors. This is a cross product of any two vectors. So how do you find this? How do you find the determinant of a matrix? How do you find the determinant of this matrix? Draw a fixed line here. Don't touch the line. Draw a fixed line here. I want to find the determinant of a matrix. Those are doing engineering and those are doing sciences, of course. You do a lot of maths. You start the maths classes, every other course you start physically, which is more effective. So, what's the vector product of this one? Draw a fixed line. Don't touch this line. Plus, minus, plus. In case you don't know it, I want to teach you how to find cross product of two vectors. Now draw a very line. Put a line here. Put a line here like this. This line and this line. What do you touch in common? This is my black line and this is my blue line. What do you touch in common? What is common? Can you hear me? This line and this line. What do they touch in common? Yes. And it's not only I, it's plus I. You see plus I in brackets. There are four numbers. There are four numbers. There are four numbers that this line and this line do not touch. What are these numbers? Like this and this. Y, Z, beta, and gamma. So you get this. You always go like this first. Here, Y times gamma. Y gamma minus Z times beta. Z beta. That's the end of this. Remove this line now. Remove it. And put the line here now. Watch. Put the line here now. Put it here now. Here, the black line and the blue line are touching one thing in common. What's that? Minus J. Minus J is common to what? To this line and this line. This line and this line do not touch four things. What are the things not touched? X, Z, alpha, gamma are not touched. So you go like this first. That's what? X to gamma. That's S gamma, S times gamma. S gamma minus Z times alpha. Alpha Z. Alpha Z. Remove the blue line again. Remove the blue line. Then put the line here now. What is common to them? To the two lines. Plus K. The four numbers not touched. What are they? Why are the four numbers not touched? X, Y, alpha, beta. So how do you go first? You go like this first. X times beta. That's X beta. Minus Y times alpha. Y times alpha. That's what? Minus alpha Y. Minus alpha Y. That is your A cross B. This is your A cross B. So A cross B is obtained from the determinant of a matrix, which I have done on the board. That's A cross B. Then again, they have to find the vector A cross B. This is what we do at all times. However, also write magnitude of the cross product is what? Magnitude of the cross product. Magnitude of the cross product. What is it? What's the magnitude of the cross product? That's what? Magnitude of A cross B. Magnitude, because cross product or vector product will give us a vector. What is that the magnitude? What's the magnitude of the cross product? And we are finding the magnitude of this answer. So magnitude of cross product is actually magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B, sine theta. You must take note of this. Magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sine theta. This is for you. Take note. A cross B is not the same as this. No. This is how to get A cross B. But magnitude of A cross B, this is it. Because cross product of two vectors, answer is also a vector. This is a vector. And the vector must have a magnitude and direction. Here shows direction. Here gives us the magnitude. What does theta stand for, class? What does theta stand for, class? No. Theta here does not mean direction. What does angle between the two vectors? Because theta should note it now. Angle between the two vectors, not a direction. We are not completely incorrect. So angle between the two vectors is theta. Between the two vectors. What I want you to note is that A cross B, this is how to get A cross B. If you write this formula, it's actually magnitude of A cross B. Let me test you. Which of the following is correct? Which of the following? Write it down. Which of the following is correct? This is your exam question. FSC 115 exam question. Which of the following is correct? Is correct. I. A dot B equals B dot A. I. A dot B equals minus B dot A. I. A cross B equals B cross A. IV. A cross B equals minus B cross A. All these are vectors. All these my A, B are vectors. A vector must have a direction on it and a sense on it, an arrow on it. That shows the sense of the vector. Number 5. Tan theta is A cross B over A dot B. Number 6. Tan theta is A cross B over A dot B. I want someone to tell me which one is correct. Look at the board and tell me which is correct and which is wrong. No, let's say first one. Say I, say I, say I, say IV. Tell me your name first. Tell me your name. So let's hear from Tipo. Tipo said what? What's the answer? I is correct. Which one is correct? Is it only I? People only I again. Okay, people said only I is correct. Who again? Yes, Tofumi. I'm listening. Tofumi, which one is I is correct. Is that all? Yes, clearly, Tofumi. Clearly. Yes, I is correct, yes. Only I is correct for me. Okay, here, comma, what again is correct? VI is correct. Who again? That's all for me. Who again? Anybody again? Anybody again? So only Tofumi and Jipo are in this class today. If you are in the class, say I. Okay, that's Tofumi again. Tofumi. Yes, you can. I is not here. IV is correct, and VI are correct. These two are being. Okay, that's Tofumi. So IV and VI are correct according to Tofumi. We are waiting. Who is that? Your name? Your name? Paul. Paul, yeah, I'm listening. Paul said I is correct. Paul said VI is correct. That is all, according to Paul. Who again? Who is that? Norat. I want to hear from you, Norat. Yes? What's correct, Norat? Only VI, according to Norat. You stay in VI. Then Norat stay. Norat stay in VI. Who is talking? Is it Paul? Okay, Jaido. Yeah, Jaido, I'm listening. Jaido said I is correct. VI is correct. That's Jaido. Is that all? Okay, that means none of you got all. So, what's correct? I is correct. I. Okay, the correct ones are I. I is correct. Who got that? Jide Dipo. Dipo was the first person. Paul got that. I is wrong. Scalar product, put it down, is commutative. Scalar product is commutative. Scalar product is commutative, meaning you can say A dot B. You can also say B dot A. You can say 2 times 3. You can say 3 times 2. Scalar product is commutative. So this is wrong. It should be A dot B equals B dot A, not minus. Now, 3 is wrong. 3 is wrong. Note it down now. Vector product is not commutative. A cross B is not the same as B cross A. No. No. It's no, no, no. Scalar product, vector product is not commutative, meaning 2 cross 3, not the same as 3 cross 2. Even though that's why you write example anyway. But just, this is not times. 3 is not times. 3 is not times. So 3 is wrong. So 4 is correct. A cross B is minus B cross A. What does that mean? A cross B and B cross A are equal in magnitude. Their magnitudes are the same, but the directions are different. Their magnitudes are what? The same, but directions are what? Different. For instance, if A cross B goes in this direction, B cross A must go in this direction. That's why A cross B is the negative of B cross A. A cross B is the negative of B cross A. Number 5 is wrong. Number 6 is correct. Who can tell me what's the main difference between this and this? God bless you. God bless you. This is a trick. God bless you. This is a trick in the exam. You will have picked this and you'll be wrong because this does not have magnitude. This has magnitude. What is the magnitude of A cross B? Magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sine theta. What's A dot B? A dot B is what? Magnitude of A, magnitude of B, cos theta. And what happened? This cancel this. What's the sine? What's sine over cos? What's sine over cos, class? Tan theta. So take note. Take note, class. Take note. Don't fall victim. Don't fall victim. Even many people don't know this. They don't know this. A cross B is not the same as magnitude of A cross B. A cross B is a vector. Magnitude of A cross B is the magnitude of A cross B. This is the magnitude of this vector. Every vector must have magnitude and direction. It's a must. So let's take note of that. You have passed an exam. Yes, please, I'm with you. Your name, please. Yes, I'm with you. Yes. Yes. Yeah. God bless you. Perfect, you are correct. It's the minus that change their direction. Is that okay now? If I say 10 Newton east, 10 Newton east, you can report minus 10 Newton west. Is that okay? Because east is like this, and it's 10 Newtons. West is like this, and it's minus 10. Negative of this. So negative, by putting negative, you have altered the direction. Might show you something. Let me show you something. A equals 2I minus 3j plus 4k. What does it mean? That means this vector has magnitude of 2 along the x-axis, positive x-axis, magnitude of 3 along the negative y-axis, magnitude of 4 along the positive z-axis. If I want to draw this vector now, see how I will draw it. This is y, this is x, and this is what? Z. My x is negative, so I will not put this one here. I will put it here now. Is that okay? Sorry. My x is plus, so I will put it 2 here. My y is minus, I will cancel this. I will put it here now. It's minus 3. My z is plus 4. I'll put it 4 here. But if I do negative of vector A, if I find the negative of this vector, here becomes minus 2I. Here becomes plus 3j. Here becomes minus 4k. I have changed the entire destiny of this. Here, let's see now. Instead of this to face here now, it will now face here. It will now face this place. This is now my minus 2. This is all facing here. It's facing here. 3 is plus. This is all 3 facing down. 3 will face up now. To face up now. Because I've changed the direction. Instead of 4, face here. It will face here now. This is my 4 now. So this is exactly the opposite of this. But that's engineering. That's the engineering students. We'll get to that one when we start GEG class. So let's see examples. Right, class. Right. Given that A equals, please write, A equals 2I minus 2j plus k. 2I minus 2j plus k. B equals 3I minus 4k. 3I minus 4k. Find 1. A cross B. 2. A cross B. 2. A dot B. 3. A dot B cross A. A dot B cross A. That is the question. So let's see it, class. Number 1. What's A cross B? A cross B means determinant of the matrix I, J. God bless you. That guy, God bless you. IJK. Yeah, what's your A? What's your A? Call your A. 2I minus 2j plus 1. That's 1 under k. Right now. And what's your B? 3 under I. 0 under j. And minus 4k. God bless you. Minus 4 under k. So let's do this. We can do this. We draw a fixed line here like this. We call it plus, minus, plus. That's what. I want to find the determinant of this. Then I will do what? Just watch. I want you to watch. I need a ruler. What's regular there? Can you get it here? Let's see now. I want to cover this. Yeah, cover this guy. Cover this guy. Cover it. What do you have left here? If here is covered, what's common to this line and this line? Plus I. So have here covered. Have here covered like this. Cover here. Here and this marker, I is common. Now do -2 times -4. What is, you go like this first. What's -2 and -4? 8. Minus 1 times 0. 0. Then move your ruler. Move your ruler here. Cover this one. Cover this place. What's common here? We are covering. What's common? We are covering. What's common here, class? It's not J. Minus J is common. Don't leave your minus out. Plus, minus, plus. Is that okay, class? What's not left here? 2, 1, 3, -4. I was good at this first. So, 2 times -4. -8, minus 1 times 3, -3. Then, next one. Cover here all. Cover here all. Plus K is common. Plus K. What's that left? 2 times 0. 0. Then -2 times 3. -6. What is -6? So what do you have here? This is 8i. -8 minus 3 is -11 times -j plus 11j. Minus times -6 plus 6 times k plus 6k. Therefore, A cross B is 8i plus 11j plus 6k. This is your A cross B. But I will teach you a method. I will teach you a method called Sarrus rule. You can use Sarrus rule. Sarrus rule. Sarrus rule to get determinant. There's a rule called Sarrus rule to get determinant. Should I teach you that method, or you're okay with this? Okay, another method in case you like it. Let's repeat what we have. We write it out. I, J, K. 2 minus 2, 1. Then 3, 0, minus 4. How many columns are here? How many columns are here?
3.
How many columns are here, class?
3 columns.
This column 1, this column 2, this column 3. What is the meaning of cut? What is the meaning of cut in computer? What does it mean to cut? What does it mean to cut in computer? When you say cut, they use X for it. Control X. What does that mean?
To remove something.
Are you removing it?
Yes.
It's a cut to remove.
To eliminate
What is, okay, to take out something, to copy. Let's copy this. What? We have copied this without cutting it. Copy this guy. The first 2 columns here. Column 1 and column 2. Listen to me. Column 1 and column 2. Copy it and paste it here. Column 1 and column 2. copy and paste here. What's here? I, J, 2, minus 2, 3, 0. You don't cut it. You copy and what? And paste. When you copy, that means you leave a copy there. But if you cut, you take it off completely. So we are not cutting, we are copying this. The first two columns, we are copying it and we are pasting it here. Is that okay now? Yeah. How do we always go? How do we always go? We go like this. Am I correct? Here. Draw line that can take 3 numbers. If you draw line here, you can only take 3. You won't draw it. If you draw here, you can only take 2 and 0. You won't draw it. But you will draw this. You will draw this. And you will draw this. Why? It takes 3. If you draw this, it takes 1 number. If you draw this, it takes 2 numbers. Here takes 3, take it. Here takes 3, take it. Here takes 3, take it. Here 2, here 1, don't take it. Here multiply those things. I times minus 2 times minus 4. Anybody?
Inside.
God bless you. J times 1 times 3. Answer. Plus 3J. K times 2 times 0. Answer. Good. After you have gone like this, how do you get in? You will go like this. I mean, just like you say 2 times 0 minus. I mean, now. So we have done this. We now do minus. Yeah, let's go like this now. Let's go like this now. Let's go. I won't take this. I won't take this. I will take this. I will take this. I will take this. And I won't take this. I won't take this. Is that okay, class?
Yes.
Let's go. 3 times minus 2 times k. Answer. Watch that I've put minus brackets. I mean, J times 1 times 3. Answer.
0 times 1 times 1 times 1.
Eh? Oh, thank you. God bless you. 0, 1, and I. That's what? 0. Thank you. Thank you. Minus 4 times 2 times J. Answer. Thank you so much. That shows you are following. So what's the answer? Is 8I plus 3J. Open this one. Minus times minus 6K plus 6K plus 8J. Minus 0 plus 8J. So let's go. 8I, that's the only I. 3J plus 8J plus 11J. Then plus 6K. Which method do you prefer? Which method do you prefer? This, Abby. Okay. Good. Good. I will do another one for you now. I will do another one for you now. Don't worry. When you squeeze, I will send a video of this class. I will send a video of this class. That guy, can you hear me? I understand network challenge perfectly. I understand. So don't worry. I will send a video of the class to you. Is that okay, Dabo? But I will do this one again now to explain everything I did. I will do this one again. Yeah, have you copied it? All right. So let's do number 2. Number 2 says define A dot B. That's number 2. Am I correct, Clark?
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes.
Good. A dot B. What's A dot B? Oh, what do you have? What is it? Okay. What's your A? What's your A? Tell me A. A is what?
2I minus 2j
minus 2j
plus k.
plus k dot. What's your B?
3I minus
3I minus 4k. So what do you have? How do we do dot product? It's I to I. So 2 to 3, j to j, minus 2 to 0. There's no j here, coming out. Then k to k, plus 1 times minus 4, k to k. This is 6 minus 0 minus 4. Answer is what? 2. This is scalar product. Scalar product gives us a scalar. Scalar product gives us a scalar. Yes, please. This place. Yes, this calls scalar. I've done this last week also. You watch the video complete. It's I to I, j to j, k to k. Now, the I here is 2. Is it understood now? I here is 2, I here is 3. J here is minus 2. There is no j here at all, 0. K here is 1. K here is minus 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 0, 0. 1 times minus 4, 4. That's 2. Is it clear, that guy? You're welcome. So this A dot B cross A. A dot B cross A. To do this one, scalar triple product. To do this, you first do B cross A. You must do B cross A. You will now find out that what? When you get this B cross A, it's just negative, it's just minus times A cross B. When you get this answer now, you will see it's just that your B cross A will just be minus times A cross B. That's what we're saying here. That A cross B is minus B cross A, or B cross A is minus A cross B. If you multiply A cross B by minus 1, you will get B cross A. But let's find it as if we don't have A cross B. So what's B cross A? I, J, K. What's your B? Class, help me. What's your B? 3, 0, minus 4. You don't put I. You don't put I. This is the I here. This is J here. This is K here. You don't put I. What's your A? What's your A? 2 minus 2 and 1. So what do you have here? Plus, minus, plus. Plus, minus, plus. You said you want this method. So you rule this. Rule it. Yeah, bring a line here. Bring a line here. Bring a line here. That's plus I into 0 times 1. 0. Minus 4 times minus 2. 8. Remove this line. Remove the line. Put it here now. Put the line here. What's coming here? Minus J. Then go like this first. 3 times 1. 3. Minus 2 times minus 4. Minus 8. Always be mindful of the sign. Always be mindful of the sign. Then bring it here now, last one. What's here now? K. You go like this first. 3 times minus 2.
Minus 6.
Minus 0 times 2. 0. Final answer. Minus 8i minus 11j minus 6k. Which is just minus times this. Minus times this will give us this. Because this is your A cross B. This is your A cross B. A cross B times minus will give us B cross A. You have to note that. Let's apply Sarah's rule. Let's apply Sarah's rule. So you can conclude which method you'll be using. Even your FSC 114, even in engineering maths, which method are you going to be using to find determinant of your matrix? Which method are you going to subscribe to? So let's do Sarah's rule. Call this guy out. We have I, we have J, we have K. The numbers 3,
0, minus 4.
minus 4. Yellow
2, minus 2, plus 1.
and 1. They have copied this thing and paste it here. Copy it and paste. I 3, 2, J 0, minus 2. I've copied this, I've pasted here. How do you go first? Like this. So pick this, that's 0. Pick this, minus 8. Minus 8G. Pick this, minus 6K. That's the end of this. Then go like this again. Pick this, that's minus bracket 0. Pick this, plus 8i. Abi? Pick this, plus what? 3j. So final answer. This minus 8j, minus 6k, minus 8i, minus 3j. Answer. Minus 8i, Abi? Minus 11j, minus 6k. Which method do you prefer? That is up to you. Yes, Saros is faster. Saros is faster. And Saros is not prone to error. Saros is not prone to error. Error can come from here. S-A-R-U-S. See this one here now. 3 minus 8. Somebody can make mistake and write 3 minus 8. You will have dropped the minus. Beginning of errors. Let me give you this question. Right. Right. Question. Vector A. Vector A asks. Yes. Oh, yes, that's true. Thank you. Thank you. I'm not done. I'm not done with that question. Thank you. I got carried away. We are doing what? A dot B cross A. So what's our A? Please give me vector A. What's vector A?
2i.
2i
Minus 2j.
minus 2j
Plus
plus k. This is vector A. Dot. What's B cross A, class?
minus 8i minus 11j minus 6k.
Thank you, that boy. God bless you. We are finding dot product of this and this. I to I. That's 2 times minus 8. J to J. Minus 2 times minus 11. K to K. Plus 1 times minus 6. And that's what? Minus 16 plus 22 minus 6. Answer 0. 0. For engineering student, if you get A dot B plus C and you get 0 as your answer, we say A, B, C are coplanar. That's a very key question in the exam. When you get triple vector product, scalar triple product of 3 vectors, and you get 0, we say what? The vector A, B, C are what? Coplanar. A, B, C are coplanar. If you get a non-zero answer, that value is called volume of a parallelepiped. If you get a non-zero answer for A dot B plus C, we call that value volume of a parallelepiped. That's for engineering students. But if you get it as 0, we say A, B, C lie on the same plane. They are coplanar. Right, question. Vector A has magnitude 5 units in the direction you are writing the direction north 30 degrees east. In direction north 30 degrees what? East. And vector B has magnitude 10 units in the direction let me say to the south. Determine the 1 scalar product, 2 vector product. 1 magnitude 10 units in the southern direction, because it's southern direction. To the southern direction, the same thing. To the south is the same as the southern direction. Determine the scalar product and the vector product of vectors A and B. Scalar product A and B. 2 vector product of A and B. Everyone should attempt this for me. Let me sharpen to you because we don't have time again. Vector A class, what's the magnitude of vector A? Let's go. Look up. Let's solve them. Magnitude is 5 units. Direction is what? North 30 degrees east. Let's draw it. This is vector A. If you can't draw it, you will not get it. This is vector A here. Vector A 5. Where will I put my 30? To the north or to the east? To the north or to the east? To the north. Angle like this to the first letter here. If south, start it to the south. If not, start it to the north. Note that. Is that okay now? When I say 30 degrees east of north is to the north. When I say 30 degrees north of east is to the east. So this is what? When we say north 30 degrees east, south 30 degrees whatever is to the south, is to the first letter here. To the first letter here is the north. So vector B, magnitude of vector B magnitude of vector B. Magnitude of vector B is 10 Newton. I mean 10 units. When you see units, it means they don't want to put the exact units. They will not say units. So, and it's to the what? To the south. Please, where is south? Where is south? This is it here. So this is vector B of 10 units. That's vector B. Can you see the board? Okay.
Can you see the board?
Yes, you can see the board. Yes. So, class, can you hear me? Can you see the board? Can you see me? Okay, should I continue class? Thank you. So 10 units to the south. This is it. We are how do you find scalar products? Class. What's formula? Magnitude of A, magnitude of B, cos theta. What does theta stand for? Class. What does angle between A and B? This is the angle between A and B. This is A, this is B. Talk to me, class, talk to me. Here is 30, here is 60, and this is 90. And theta is what? 150 degrees. So what's the magnitude of A? 5. What's the magnitude of B? 10. Cos, what's theta? 150 degrees. That's what? 50 cos 150. What's the answer, class? What's cos 150? That's 3 over 2. And that's what? Minus 25 root 3. That is the magnitude dot product. Number 2, magnitude of the scalar product. Magnitude of the scalar, of the vector product, Of the vector product. What is the magnitude of the vector product? That's the magnitude of A cross B. Magnitude of A of B sine theta. What is the magnitude of A? 5. Of B, 10. Sine 150 degrees. That's 50 in, what's sine 150? That's 0.5. That's what? 25. These are scalar and vector products. Now, who can tell me another way of doing this? Who can tell me another way of doing this thing? Anybody? You can turn this guy into what? X and what? Y. You can resolve this side into X and Y components. Your vector A will now become xi value plus yg value. Class, confirm to me what I'm saying is clear to you. God bless you. Wait. I said this place is 5. Resolve this 5 into X component and Y component. Do you know how to do that? I taught you that, didn't I? is still in some videos. You can watch it in some video. So turn this file. The x value is what? 5 cos 60. Y value is what? 5 sine. I mean the x value is 5 cos 60. Y value is what? 5 sine 60. Put the two value here. That is something I plus something j. Who can tell me? What will this one be? What's vector b now? It's just what? Minus 10j. Just minus 10j. Confirm to me that is clear. I'm saying that what? To find a scalar product, you can solve it this way. To find the scalar product and the magnitude of vector product, you can solve it this way. Is allowed. But I now say, based on your knowledge of vectors, scalar product is A dot B. You can find vector A, find vector B. Vector A is, what's the x value of this vector? 5. The x value of A is 5 cos 60. Am I correct? The y value is 5 sine 60. Am I correct, class? Well, what's 5 cos 60? Give me the answer. What? 5. What's the x value of, what's the 5 cos sine 60? What's 5 sine 60? 5 with what? 3 over 2. Give me in decimal. What's in decimal? Good. This is the y component. This is the s component of this vector 5. Of this 5. This is the s, this is the y. Is that clear? So A can be written like this. 2.5i plus 4.33j. Am I correct?
Yes.
Oh yeah, resolve this b into s and y. Does this b, does it have s? Does it have y?
Yes.
And what's the y value?
10
It's 10. It's 10. Hold on. It's 10. Magnitude is 10, but in the negative y direction. So it's minus 10j. Minus 10j. It's 10, but in the negative y direction. Ends minus 10j. Therefore, you know vector A now. You know vector B now. You cannot find question 1. Question 1, A dot B. You will still get the same answer I got here. You can find number 2, A cross B. When you find A cross B, find the magnitude. You will still get the same answer I got here. That way, I will leave that for you to confirm. Given that A is this, B is this, class, find A dot B and find the magnitude of A cross B. Are we okay here? Are we okay? Are we good? Okay, we stop the class